Now tell me,
who's on the radio? Who's on the radio? The Street Corner Memory Show. Bless my soul, this is rock and roll, and do a cappella style. Street Corner Memories Show.
Très heureux de vous retrouver sur vos radios web et FM favorites. Vous êtes avec Joseph Coco pour le programme Oldies Memories, Popcorn Oldies and Soul from the 60s. Aussi, notez bien, le 5 juillet, soirée Popcorn Oldies Party avec Evo et Biagio. Ça se déroule à la salle du Pont-Blanc à Bernissart, 69 rue de l'Industrie. Bernissart, Belgique, bien entendu. Aujourd'hui au programme, vos styles popcorn, oldies and soul favoris, aussi quelques disques que je n'ai pas encore eu l'occasion de vous proposer lors des programmes. Pour l'heure, place à la musique.
Here comes the music.
Do I look bothered?
Oh, you are awful, but I like you.
Everybody's voting for the friendly voice of radio, the people's choice. Music, weather, sports and news, it's radio. The people choose. Everybody swinging to the swinging voice of radio, the people's choice. Big fry, small fry, dawn to dawn, it's radio that turns them on. Swinging, singing.
Try to steal away. How can they be so naive to believe everything their boyfriends say? When Stevie told his girl, he told that other girl, go away, little girl, go away. Oh, well, if I was Stevie's girl, I'd have laughed in his face. 'Cause what was he doing out with her? In the first place, you better
C'est Terry Allen qui débute ce programme avec In the First Place, abaissé par Paramount en 1963. Voici le groupe The Chevels, It's Goodbye. Bon programme à vous toutes et tous à l'écoute d'Oldies Memories.
Two seats down. I've got competition, it seems galore, but I'm the guy she's waiting for. I go through life with just one bound, that girl 3 rows over and 2 seats down. I just can't seem to concentrate, I can't buckle down. I never get my schoolwork done. My head's always turned around. I catch the teacher's angry looks when my head's not buried in my books. She knows my thoughts are all around that girl 3 rows over and 2 seats down. Just can't seem to concentrate, I can't buckle down. I never get my schoolwork done. My head's always turned around. I can't find the type of thing I keep waiting for, that friendly way, the one I want. I finally found. She sits 3 rows over and 2 seats down.
see it, I see it, I see it in that look in your eyes. I see a dream come true, walking by my side. No more loneliness, the turning of the tide. I see it, I see it, I see it in that look in your eyes. I see fulfillment, no more misery. I see desire, for me and only me. I see it, I see it, I see it in that look in your eyes. Have never spoken one affectionate word. The things you say with your pretty eyes are the sweetest I've ever heard. I see happiness, a glimpse of paradise. I see the wedding and people throwing rice. I see it, I see it, I see it in that look in your eyes. I see it, I see it.
Vous écoutez le programme Oldies Memories, Popcorn Oldies and Soul from the 60s, présenté, réalisé, animé par Joseph Coco sur vos radios web et FM favorites, le samedi sur Radio Pastel 99.4 à partir de 17h, le dimanche sur Radio Boomerang 89.7 FM à partir de 18h10, www.radioboomerang.com. Le dimanche également à 12h PM sur www.loungekingradio.com au Mexique. Le mercredi à midi sur Radio T-Rex à Montréal, Canada, www.t-rexradio-t-rex.com et en streaming à la même heure sur One Media World Radio Détroit, Michigan. Vous avez entendu The Chevels, It's Goodbye, et ça c'était sur Button Records 1963. Tout après, Bobby Curtola, Three Rows Over, Delphi 1963, enfin à l'instant. Mark Cavell and the Klesmet avec I See It, et ça c'était sur Kendix Records 1961. Le programme se poursuit avec Kenny Price, Somebody Told Mary. Bon programme.
Somebody told Mary, Mary had to tell her friends. Jim got the word and he had to tell it over and over again. It's the hottest thing in town, how the news must get around. I wanted to be the first to tell you I love you. We've been sitting in the classroom 9 long years or so, and the smile you gave me every day made me want to know. But someone saw me as I wrote our names side by side in a heart on my Valentine to you. Now everyone knows, I guess including you, it won't change the way I feel or the things that I do. It's been on my mind so long, I'm glad they've spread the news. Now I only hope you'll say I got the word, and he had to tell it over and over again. It's the hottest thing in town, how the news must get around. I wanted to be the first to tell you.
It was early this morning, we heard the news. It's so sad, it's so blue. He wasn't a doctor, wasn't a lawyer, he wasn't a teacher, preacher, engineer or a writer. Many say he was the greatest cat. He was a DJ. He died today. Yes, a DJ passed away. He was only a young boy, like me and you. It's so sad, it's so blue. So drape the jukebox in shrouds of black and veil the radio for the man who won't be back. He was a DJ, he died today. Yes, a DJ passed away. So let the oldies play, let all the goldies play, all the sounds that he played for us, the songs of yesterday, and say a prayer for him and dedicate a song. Many say he was the greatest cat. He was a DJ. He died today. Yes, a DJ passed away. So let the golden sounds fill the air. Maybe he will hear them in the great somewhere. He was a DJ. He died today. Yes, a DJ passed away. I can hear the records playing. Goodbye, Mr. DJ.
You smiled at me the other night, or was it wishful thinking? You took my hand and held it tight, or was that wishful thinking? We'd hardly met, but straight away my heart said, that's the girl for you. I hope it's more than wishful thinking. If I were wise, I'd tell my heart that it's just wishful thinking. But this old heart ain't very smart, it's stuck on wishful thinking. However else could such a fool as I pretend my life away if I can't play at wishful thinking? But what am I doing dancing with you? Your head on my shoulder, can this really be true? It really is, it's really true. It's not just wishful thinking. You really are the girl I knew when love was wishful thinking. Never again will I be oh so lonely, lost in my dream. You put an end to wishful thinking. You put an end to wishful thinking.
This way, but tell me now, how come my heart is breaking and how come my body is aching and how come you've been seeing her every night? Oh, how come you said that girls like her were just a dime a dozen and she was cheating on me with some other guy? You told me I should forget her, and I was lucky that she said goodbye. But now I wonder, how come you know so much about her, and how come you wanted me without her, and how come you've been seeing her every night? Oh, how come? How come my heart is breaking and how come my body is aching and how come you've been seeing her every night? Oh, how come my heart is breaking and how come my body is aching and how come you know so much about her and how come you want.
Vous avez entendu à la suite Kenny Price, Somebody Told Mary, Band Records Company 1965, tout après The Delsatins, The Ballad of DJ, Laurie Records 1962, il y a eu Jackie Linton, Wishful Thinking, Piccadilly Angleterre 62, enfin à l'instant Frank Cherval, How Come, et ça c'était sur MGM Records 1961, une année plus tard sur les mêmes labels en Angleterre, donc en 1962 il y a eu aussi une édition. Je vous rappelle donc le 5 juillet, soirée Popcorn Oldies Party avec Evo et Biagio, ça se déroule à la salle du Pont Blanc à Bernissart, à 69 rue de l'Industrie en Belgique. Je vous propose de poursuivre le programme avec Phil Phillips and the Twilights, Verdi May. Bon programme.
I was walking one lonely day, walking along on my lonely way. I saw a little lady going my way. She told me that her name was Verdi May. Verdi May, Verdi May, Verdi May, Verdi May. Oh, I love little Verdi May. She is short, she is neat, pretty little eyes and little bitty feet. She told me I could come around. One thing she asks not to never let her down. Verdi May, sweet Verdi May, Verdi May. Oh, I love babe. I went to her house and I knocked on the door. She kissed me and she kissed me so. My heart went bump-de-bump. The way I felt made my big toe jump. Birdie Mae, sweet Birdie Mae, Birdie Mae, yes Birdie Mae. Ooh, I love you, Birdie Mae. I went to her house and I want you to know she kissed me and she kissed me so. She kissed me again, I sure did hum. A woman like that make an old man young. Birdie Mae, Birdie Mae, Birdie Mae, little Birdie Mae. Yes, I love you, Birdie Mae.
I got a hole in my pocket. Long green flew away. My baby, she left me barefoot. My baby, she left me barefoot. My baby, she left me barefoot. Long green flew away. Long green, long green, long green. Oh, long green flew away. I had a whole lot of money. I had a whole lot of money. I had a whole lot of money. Long green flew away. I got the blues in the morning. I got the blues in the evening. I got the blues in the morning. Long green flew away. Long green, yeah. Long green, long green. Oh, that long green flew away. Bye bye. Long green flew away. So long. Long green flew away. Bye bye.
La séquence du collectionneur. Du collectionneur. Pour terminer cette première partie, Teenagers and Popcorn, vous avez entendu Phil Phillips and the Twilights, Birdie Mae, Mercury 59 à l'instant, Jim Pink and the Diamonds, Long Green, Warner Bros. Mars 1959. Voilà, comme l'indicatif vous l'annonce, il est temps de passer à la séquence du collectionneur.
Verticalement, tu n'es pas une affaire, je sais bien. Mais horizontalement, c'est toi que je préfère et de loin. Je me sens le plus triste des cruciverbistes car je suis derrière une grille, seul où toi ma fille tu m'as mis. Pour trouver ta définition, je n'ai pas 36 solutions. Belle comme l'amour, futée comme un balai, tu es la source de tous mes mots croisés. Verticalement, tu n'es pas une affaire, je sais bien. Mais horizontalement, c'est toi que je préfère et de loin. Après tes extases, tu as quelques cases mal remplies. En libertinage, tu as pour ton âge du génie. En 5 lettres sur mon journal, on demande aux 3 verticales. Un mal qui peut se dissiper la nuit. En pensant à toi, j'ai trouvé l'ennui. Verticalement, tu n'es pas une affaire, je sais bien. Mais horizontalement, c'est toi que je préfère et de loin. Pourquoi dans nos phrases, tous nos mots se croisent pleins d'aigreur? Idiots que nous sommes, puisque la nuit gomme nos erreurs. Au fond de notre carré noir, m'arrive une lueur d'espoir. Alors j'oublie ce qui m'obsède chez toi, qui n'a pas inventé l'eau tiède, crois-moi. Verticalement, tu n'es pas une affaire, je sais bien. Mais horizontalement, c'est toi que je préfère et de loin. Mais horizontalement, c'est toi que je préfère et de loin.
Les babouches à Bouddha, ben. Les babouches à Bouddha, les babouches à Bouddha, ben. Les babouches à Bouddha. Allons, dis-moi, 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 pourquoi je ne le trouve pas? Non d'une pipe en bois, non d'une pipe pas les babouches à mon papa. Les babouches à Bouddha, va. Les babouches à Bouddha, les babouches à Bouddha, va. Les babouches à Bouddha, Abdu, 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 la la. Abdu, 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 Abdullah. Abdu, Abdu, Dabo, baby. Elles sont là, 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 dis oui, dis là, cachées ou pas, dis-moi. Cachées ou pas, les chabous des Bouddha, car il avait fauché les babouches à son papa. Les babouches à Bouddha, va. Les babouches à Bouddha, les babouches à Bouddha, va. Les babouches à Bouddha, Abdu, 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 la la. Abdu, 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 la la. Abdu, Abdu, Abdu,
Alors, elles viennent ces babouches, oui ou non?
Vous avez entendu à la suite Jean-Claude Brialy dans une composition signée Jean Ferrat, horizontalement, titre qu'interprète également Jean Ferrat, puisqu'il en est le compositeur. C'était sur un EP du même nom, Philips, janvier 1964. À l'instant, Sylvana Blasi, Les Babouches à Bouddha. Il y a notre version sortie au Canada, au Québec, par Iris Robin. Et ça, c'était sur le EP L'ABC du Madison, Fontana 1962. On va poursuivre ce programme avec Franck Aldo. Bon programme à vous toutes et tous. C'est Oldies Memories et vous êtes au plein cœur de la séquence du collectionneur, rubrique variétés françaises et étrangères.
L'ami, n'as-tu jamais souffert ainsi? Ah oui, pour une fille qui piétine ta vie. Ah oui, elle est pour moi mon ciel, mon unique joie. Elle est l'amour qui brûle en moi. Dis-moi l'ami, n'as-tu jamais pleuré ainsi? fuis loin de moi. Tu sais l'ami, je ne t'en veux pas, je ne t'en veux pas. Mais si ce soir je te dis ça, je te dis ça, c'est que demain je m'en irai seul dans la nuit. Oh oui, pour oublier cette fille qui piétine ma vie. Oh oui, cette fille qui est pour moi mon ciel, mon unique joie. Elle est l'amour qui brûle en moi. Dis-moi l'ami, oh dis-moi qu'elle n'en saura rien, non rien, car je voudrais rester pour elle un bon copain, copain. Et toi, toi aime-la, et puis oublie tout cela, oublie l'amour qui brûle en moi. Comme je veux l'oublier, moi, comme je veux l'oublier, moi, comme je veux l'oublier, moi.
Je n'ai pas, presque pas de larmes aux yeux. Mes amis, très bientôt ça ira mieux. Mais ce soir n'insistez pas, allez vous amuser sans moi. J'ai pourtant travaillé, oui, mais en vain. Je n'ai pas réussi mon examen. Et je ne sais pas comment oser le dire à mes parents. Ils sont pauvres, oui, mais ils ont tout fait pour que j'aille au lycée. Je suis leur seule joie, ils ne méritent pas ça, je les déçois déjà. J'ai pourtant travaillé, oui, mais enfin, je n'ai pas réussi mon examen. Mes amis, n'hésitez pas, allez vous amuser sans moi. Mes amis, n'insistez pas, allez vous amuser sans moi. J'ai plus envie de pleurer aujourd'hui que de m'amuser. J'ai plus envie de pleurer aujourd'hui que...
Vous êtes au plein cœur de la rubrique La séquence du collectionneur, rubrique dans laquelle je vous propose le format EP Jukebox à 25 cm, SP, variété française, instrumentale, anglo-saxonne, etc. Vous avez entendu Franck Aldo avec Pour une fille sur un EP du même nom, Philips 1964, à l'instant Muriel Bianchi avec Allez vous amuser sans moi. Sur le EP Te voilà, Philips également pour les labels 1965. Nous allons entamer notre première session instrumentale. Voici Raymond Lefebvre et son orchestre dans sa version de Exodus. Bon programme à vous toutes et tous. Première session instrumentale, vous avez entendu Raymond Lefebvre et son orchestre Exodus sur l'EP Pepe Berkeley 61 à l'instant. The Brass Rings, California Dreaming sur le EP Guantanamera, RCA Victor 1967. On va retrouver ici James Darren, c'est un EP pressage suisse avec ce titre que vous connaissez, Goodbye Cruel World.
To join the circus, gonna be a broken-hearted clown. Paint my face with a good-for-nothing smile, 'cause a mean, fickle woman turned my whole world upside down. Goodbye, cruel world. Farewell to love, I'm off to join the circus. Gotta find a way to hide my tears. Then I'll have them rolling in the aisle, and I'll forget that woman if it takes 100 years. Oh, step right up and take a look at a fool. He has got a heart as stubborn as a mule. Come on, everybody, he's good for a laugh, and no one could tell his heart is broken in half. Well, the joke's on me. I'm off to join the circus. Oh, Mr. Barnum, save a place for me. Shoot me out of a cannon, I don't care. Let the people point at me and stare. I'll tell the world that woman, wherever she may be, that mean, fickle woman made a crying clown out of me. Shoot me out of a cannon, I don't care. Let the people point at me and stare. I'll tell the world that woman, wherever she may be, that mean, fickle woman made a crying clown out of me. Goodbye, cruel world. Goodbye, cruel world. Goodbye, cruel world.
He took 100 pounds of clay, and then he said, hey, listen, I'm gonna fix this world today, because I know what's missing. Then he rolled his big sleeves up, and a brand new world began. He created a woman and lots of loving for a man. Oh, oh, yes he did. With just 100 pounds of clay, he made my life worth living, and I will thank him every day for every kiss you're giving, and I'll thank him every night for the arms that are holding me tight. And he did it all with just 100 pounds of clay. Yes he did, oh yes he did. Now can't you just see him walking round and round, picking the clay up off the ground, doing just what he should do to make a living dream like you. He rolled his big sleeves up, and a brand new world began. He created a woman and lots of loving for a man. Oh, oh, yes he did.
Remember this yesterday.
Well, I think I'm going out of my head. Yes, I think I'm going out of my head over you.
make fun, say you're not the only one, but you've been my one and only from the start. Don't care what people say, but I'm gonna listen to my heart. Let them laugh, let them frown, let them try to tear me down, let them try to make my teardrops start. I don't care what people say, I'm gonna listen to my heart. Oh, I always listen to my heart, 'cause I know it wouldn't tell me a lie. Why should I go on and take a notice of any other guy? When they're just jealous, I know, and they envy me so, but their gossip will never make us part. Don't care what people say, Lord, I'm gonna listen to my heart. Yeah, I always listen to my heart, 'cause I know it wouldn't tell me a lie. Why should I go on and take a notice of any other guy when I know he's jealous and he envies me so, but his gossip will never make us part. Don't care what people say, but I'm gonna listen to my heart. What I know he's jealous, Lord, I'm gonna listen to my heart.
La séquence du collectionneur. Du collectionneur. Vous avez entendu à la suite James Darren, Goodbye Cruel World, sur un EP du même nom, pressage suisse, 1961. Tout après Joe Dowell, 100 Pounds of Clays. Philips 1960, il y a eu Little Anthony and the Imperials, Going Out of My Head, sur un EP du même nom. United Artists 64, enfin à l'instant, Tony Milton, plus connu sous le nom de Tony Middleton, avec I Listen to My Heart, sur le EP Come On Baby, Versailles 1963. Voilà pour la rubrique la séquence du collectionneur, que l'on retrouvera sans faute la semaine prochaine. Pour l'heure, place à une deuxième session instrumentale Popcorn Oldies. Vous écoutez le programme Oldies Memories, Popcorn Oldies and Soul from the 60s, présenté par Joseph Coco sur vos radios web et FM favorites. Pour cette deuxième session instrumentale, vous avez entendu The Fireballs, Chicken Little, Atco Records 68, à l'instant The Chicksmen, Song for Daily Dancer, et ça c'était sur Reprise Records, septembre 1962. On va entamer notre session classique Popcorn Oldies and Soul. Voici Chico Holiday avec Your Kid Sister. Bon programme à vous toutes et tous.
Your kid sister, she's cute as she can be. Fine friend you are for holding out on me. She's a doll, she's a dream, she's the prettiest girl I've ever seen. Your kid sister, you tell me that she's shy, no one's kissed her, but gee, I'd like to try. She's a doll, she's a dream, she's the prettiest girl I've ever seen. Gee, you're really lucky to have an angel like her around. If I could be that lucky, I would worship the very ground she walks on. Your kid sister, I tell you honestly, can't resist her. She's not a kid to me. She's a doll, she's a dream, she's the prettiest girl I've ever seen. Gee, you're really lucky to have an angel like her around. If I could be that lucky, I would worship the very ground she walks on. Your kid sister, honestly, can't resist her. She's not a kid to me. She's a doll, she's a dream, she's the prettiest girl I've ever seen. How she can cha-cha-cha. How she can cha-cha-cha. How she can cha-cha-cha.
Maybe you say that you don't love me, and maybe I say that I don't care, but really I'm certain that you need me, and really I want you to be there.
Golden oldie, golden oldie, golden oldie, golden oldie, golden oldie.
cry. You won't hear me moan. So you told me goodbye. Honey, I cry alone. You told me nothing but lies. You cut my love to the bone. But now, baby, I'm wise. Honey, I cry alone. I believe in you like you wanted me to. I believed every word that you told me, but never heard. But you won't hear me cry. Now that I'm back on my own. So you told me goodbye. Honey, I cry alone. On my own, so you told me goodbye. Honey, I'll cry alone. I said I'll cry alone. Don't send me no sympathy card. I mean I'll cry alone. Baby, I'll cry alone. I don't need you, honey.
You can't stop me from dreaming. No matter what you may do. So you might as well give up, 'cause I'll always from dreaming. I advise you not to try. You will be under my skin until the day I die. Oh, if you could read my mind, then I'm sure you would see how important you are to me. No, 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 now you can't stop me from dreaming, and I'll keep on dreaming of the day when you will come to me, yeah, and say all the things that I love, and say all the things that I
Si vous voulez retrouver ce style d'ambiance à travers le son vinyle Popcorn Oldies originaux, donc rendez-vous le 5 juillet à Bernissart, à la salle du Pont-Blanc, 69 rue de l'Industrie, pour une soirée Popcorn Oldies Party. Au platine, il y aura Evo et Biagio. Ça débute aux alentours de 20h30 et c'est en Belgique. Vous avez entendu Chico Holiday avec Your Kid Sister, RCA Victor 59. Tout après Gene Morgan, Maybe, Epic 1965. Il y a eu The Defenders, Taco Wagon sur l'album Drag Beat, Delphi 63. Il y a eu Gene and the Esquires, pardon, Space Race, GNP Crescendo 65. Il y a eu Gal Garnett, I'll Cry Alone, RCA Victor 65. Enfin, à l'instant, Betty O'Brien, You Can't Stop Me From Dreaming, Cap sur Paramount, RCA Paramount, RCA 1963, pardon, je m'en mêle les pinceaux, voilà. On va retrouver notre dernière session instrumentale. Voici arrivé Harold Bennett and his Soul Brothers. Alors le titre de Betty O'Brien, c'était sur ABC Paramount 1963 pour cette dernière session instrumentale. Vous avez entendu Harold Bennett and his Soul Brothers, Shake a Lady. Vous avez reconnu ce thème, Copa Records. À l'instant, The Brassos, Spanish Moss. Et ça, c'était sur Volt Records. On va entamer notre dernière session, notre dernière partie de programme plutôt. Je vous propose ici de retrouver le groupe The Drappers, My Love Has Gone Away. Bon programme à vous toutes et tous.
Your love has gone away. Your love has gone away. There'll be no more walking you home. There'll be no more tears on the phone. And I know your love has gone away. Your love has gone away. Your love has gone away. There'll be no more holding you tight. There'll be no more kissing goodnight. And I know your love has gone away. Your love has gone away. Your love has gone away. Why did you have to break my heart? Why did you tear it all apart? Who gave you the right to make me sad? Now you found your love and I am glad. There'll be no more dreams to ride. There'll be no more I know your love has gone away. 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 When we dance close together, I could hold you forever if you'd only stay in my arms. But until the music ends, I keep forgetting that we're just friends. It would be such a surprise if I could see love in your eye. And if you kiss me, wouldn't that be something? When you're near and we're swaying and the music is playing, I can feel the thrill of your charm here. But if I could hold you tight when I take you home tonight, it would be such a surprise. If I could only see love in your eye. And if you kiss me, wouldn't that be something? If I could hold you ever so tight when I take you home tonight, it would be such a surprise. I could see just a little love in your eye, and if you kiss me, wouldn't that be something?
Oldies Memories, Popcorn, Oldies and Soul from the 60s with Joseph Coco.
Yesterday's kisses don't fill my needs today, like yesterday's papers have nothing new to say. Oh, now I can't live in the past, and I can't make yesterday's moments last. Today is today, and the time just seems to fly. Fools stand and watch the parade go passing by. So come on, make me know what a wonderful world that this is, by giving me some of yesterday's kisses.
Ever go away, there would be lonely tears to cry. The sun above would never shine again. There would be teardrops in the sky. So hold me close and never let me go, and say our love will always be. Oh my darling, I love you so. You mean everything. De mi oración eres solución, del cielo un ángel eres, tan triste hasta que a mí viniste, con la maravilla de amor. Antes viví y no lo celebré, tú mi destino, mi vida. Hoy mi bien tanto te quiero, todo eres para mí. If you should ever say goodbye, there would be lonely tears to cry. The sun above would never shine again. There would be teardrops in the sky. So hold me close and never let me go, and say our love will always be. Oh my darling, I love you so. You mean everything.
Vous écoutez le programme Popcorn Oldies, Oldies Memories, Popcorn Oldies and Soul from the 60s, présenté sur vos radios web et FM favorites par Joseph Coco exclusivement le son vinyle. Vous avez entendu The Drappers, Your Love Has Gone Away, G Records pour les labels 1962. Juste après, Lou Johnson, Wouldn't That Be Something, Big Top 63, également sorti sur London en Angleterre la même année. Non, en 64 plutôt. Il y a eu Dean Barlow avec Yesterday Kisses, Leske Records 63, à l'instant Bobby Jenkins and the Jets, You Mean Everything to Me, et ça c'était sur Buckingham Records. On va retrouver David Helen dans cette superbe reprise d'un titre de Jerry Butler, Aware of Love. Bonne fin de programme à vous toutes et tous.
I'm aware of love at last. I'm aware of love. I asked my papa not long ago what was love, and he said, oh, you have to find out for yourself. You cannot learn from somebody else. Someday you'll be aware of love. Someday, if you live long enough, you'll be aware of love. But I was 8 and couldn't wait, and every little girl I took on a date, oh, I told her that I really, really loved her. I vowed I'd never, never love another, but I found it was just puppy love. Yes, I found it was just puppy love. Like Papa told me, one day I met you. I knew right then that I had to get you. I took you in my arms and really kissed you. And when you went away, how I miss you. And now I'm aware of love at last. Oh, I found true love.
nightmare by day, but I'll find a way to leave a slum far behind. I made up my mind, our love will never die. I know I'll find the road that runs to a place in the sun. I know he's gonna find a place in the sun. Place in the sun. I gotta give our love a good place to grow. A place in the sun where I'm proud to go. You know I'm gonna work night and day to take you away. Stay with me, darling, and I promise someday we'll make the run to a place in the sun. A place in the sun. Place in the sun. A place in the sun. I'll find a place in the sun.
Feelings, don't you know I've got feelings? You always treat me like I'm made out of stone. You forget I'm only flesh and bone. But don't you know that I've got feelings and you hurt me in oh so many ways. When I need you most, you seem to disappear for days, and then you wonder why you find me crying. Feelings, don't you have any feelings? Why do you take the love that I give to you, then walk all over me the way that you do? Don't you know that I've got feelings, I can't help it. I love you, can't you see? But if this love of mine can never be, at least have some feelings for me. Don't you know that I've got feelings, I can't help it. I love you, can't you see? But if this love of mine can never be, at least have some feelings for me. And feelings for me. Baby, you know I'm begging you. And feelings for me.
Vous avez entendu à la suite Alan David avec A War of Love, Decca, Angleterre 65. Il y a eu The Fortune Tellers, School Prom, Sherry, le record 61. Freddie Hensfield avec A Place in the Sun, Scepter Record 63. Enfin, à l'instant, Peter James avec ce titre, ce superbe titre, Feeling. Et ça, c'était pour les étiquettes Liberty. On va retrouver The Queen. Vous avez reconnu ici Aretha Franklin, I Can Wait Until I See My Baby's Face. Columbia Records, bien entendu. Bonne fin de programme à vous toutes et tous. C'est Oldies Memories, Popcorn Oldies and Soul from the 60s avec Joseph Coco.
I can't wait until I see my baby's face. When I tell him that I'm through, yes, I'm through with him. 'Cause he's been running around, and I've got to put him down. I can't wait to see the look in his eyes. I wonder if he'll cry when I tell him that
flag. Golden oldies.
Remember this yesterday.
Golden classic. Time for a golden record.
Now, here comes the music.
Do I look bothered?
Oh, you are awful, but I like you.
Everybody's voting for the friendly voice of radio, the people's choice. Music, weather, sports, and news, it's radio. The people choose. Everybody's swinging to the swinging voice of radio, the people's choice. Big fry, small fry, dawn to dawn, it's radio that turns them on. Swinging, singing, a million sounds you want to hear. It's a landslide every year. Everybody's dialing in the smiling voice of radio, the people's choice. East Coast, West Coast, in between, it's radio that makes the scene.
You may not find us on your TV, because in case you did not know, we're being brought to you by, brought to you on, brought to you by RADI.
Et c'est ainsi que se termine le programme du jour. Vous avez entendu à la suite Aretha Franklin, I Can't Wait Until I See My Baby's Face. Et ça, c'était sur Columbia Records 1965. Tout après, Barbara Brown, Forget Him. Carnival Records 65, il y a eu The Falcon, I'm a Fool, I Must Love You. Big Hill Records 1966 pour terminer avec Betty Everett. Nothing I Want to Do. ABC Paramount, juillet 1966. Voilà, avant de vous quitter, je vous rappelle la soirée du 5 juillet en Belgique, à Bernissart, à la salle du Pont-Blanc, 69 rue de l'Industrie, avec Evo et Biagio. Popcorn Oldies Party, ça débute à 20h30, donc le 5 juillet, à la salle du Pont-Blanc, 69 rue de l'Industrie à Bernissart, en Belgique. À Popcorn Oldies Party avec Evo et Biagio, et ça débute à partir de 20h30. Quant à moi, je vous laisse, je vous donne rendez-vous la semaine prochaine. D'ici là, portez-vous bien. Bye bye.
Tell me who's on the radio? Who's on the radio? The Streetcar Memory Show.